example, we've been asked to use Simpson's rule to find an approximation to the integral of e to the x squared between 0 and 1. Now, Simpson's rule tells us that the integral of f of x between x equals a and x equals b can be approximated to b minus a all over 6 multiplied by the function evaluated at a plus 4 lots of the function evaluated at a plus b over 2 plus the function evaluated at b. So we should first of all write down the values of our a and b. A is the lower limit of the integral, which is 0, and b is the upper limit of our integral, which is 1. Therefore we can see that a plus b over 2 is equal to 0 plus 1 over 2, which is 1/2. So we need to evaluate our function at 3 points. First one is at f of a, which is f of 0. So f of 0 is e to the 0 squared, which is just e to the 0, which is 1. We need to evaluate it at f of a plus b over 2, which is f of 1/2. So that is e to the 1/2 squared, which is e to the 0.25 or a quarter, and e to the 0.25 is 1.2840. Finally, we need to evaluate it at f of b, and so that is f of 1. So f of 1 is e to the 1 squared, which is just e to the 1, which is 2.7182. So we can use all of these results to find an approximate value of our integral. So the integral from 0 up to 1 of e to the x squared is approximately 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 plus 4 lots of 1.2840 plus 2.7182, and we just plug this into our calculator and multiply by 1/6 to find 1.4757. So we can say, using Simpson's rule, that the integral of e to the x squared between 0 and 1 is approximately 1.4757.